When you are out in the field, it is easy to get tunnel vision on engine oil, hydraulic fluid, or tire pressure. But it's spring now, when you are kicking up clouds of dirt with a tractor or a skid steer, and your cab might start smelling like a locker room. That's when your air filter play its role. But what does a cabin air filter do exactly? Recognizing bad cabin air filter symptoms early prevents expensive HVAC repairs. Whether you are running a pickup or a mini excavator, this small component dictates both your health and your HVAC longevity. Next, let's take a look at the various signs indicating that your air filter needs to be replaced. First comes the persistent odors. If your vents are spitting out a musty, moldy, your filter is likely harboring moisture and bacteria. Secondly, bad filters could cause excessive dust and trigger your allergies. Noticing a thick layer of dust on the dashboard every morning or sneezing like crazy inside the cab, the bad filter is influencing your health. Don't hesitate to get it replaced. In addition to the points mentioned above, if you notice a significant reduction in airflow from the air conditioner, slow cooling of the cabin, or frequent fogging of the windshield accompanied by inefficient defrosting, these are typically signs of a severely clogged filter element. To ensure clear visibility while driving and maintain a comfortable cabin environment, please replace the air conditioner filter promptly. For heavy equipment and off-road machinery, a standard automotive schedule just won't cut it. Operating in high pollution or dusty construction environments accelerates wear significantly. Therefore, you should perform visual inspections frequently. If you notice that the surface of the filter element has turned gray or black, or if fine twigs and dried leaves have become lodged in its crevices, it is absolutely necessary to replace it. Replacing the air filter yourself is also incredibly simple. It takes just 5 easy steps. First things first, pop open your glove box or track down the external housing on your machine. Pretty straightforward. Once you're in, just pinch those retention tabs and slide the old filter out. Keep an eye out for loose leaves or junk. You don't want that falling back into the blower. Before the new one goes in, take a second to wipe out the tray. Now, if you're running a reusable unit, go ahead and clean that mesh now using the right chemicals. Finally, slide the tray back in until you hear it click, button up your panels, and you're all set. A clean cabin air filter is a small investment that pays off in operator comfort, health, and machine longevity. Don't let a clogged $20 part lead to a $500 blower motor failure. At Friday Parts, we are your reliable source for specialized off-road vehicle parts and professional-grade maintenance tools. Head over to FridayParts.com to find the exact filter for your make and model. If you like our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical, heavy equipment repair tips. See you next time.
Friday Parts, fix it once, fix it right.